Hi children, have a great day. So before going to start a session, let's start with prayer. Right? Join your hands, close your eyes and listen to me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Mrdam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine children. Now slowly open your eyes. Very good. So today we are going to see an interesting topic, namely the exploring the plant zone. We are going to study about the plants. Right. So before going to enter into the topic, just say how the plants can be divided. Yes, it is divided as flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Give examples for flowering plant. Very good. The plant around us, that is rose, hibiscus, mango tree, neem tree, these are all flowering plants, right? And non-flowering plants, that is crotons, we kept in front of our house to beautify, no, for the beautifying process. So that type of process plant are called non-flowering plant. If you see in a park, they will cut the particular plant as an elephant, a rabbit, etc. in different shapes, right? So they may not produce any flower. Such type of plants are called non-flowering plants, right? Example for those non-flowering plants might be fern and algae, right? So basically the plant will get divided as flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Okay, just now look at this picture and say which is the most beautiful part of this plant. Yes, it is flower. Very good. And now look at this picture and say what holds the plant to stand straight. Yes, it is root. Very good. And now look at this picture. With help of what the particular plant might produce its own food. Yes, it is root. So the main part of the plants are root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf, etc. Right? These are the main parts of the plant. Right? So now we are going to study about these flowering plant. So the flowering plant is further divided as 5 categories. They are herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and trees. These are the 5 categories. Thus, the flowering plants has been divided. Right? Now, herbs. They are short plants. They are very short and have soft and thin stem. Right? They are used for medicinal purposes. Okay? So what might be the example? Yes, that is tulsi, aloe vera, coriander, etc. They are used for medicinal purposes and they were very short. Right? So these types of plants are called herbs. Okay, then shrubs. These are of medium sized woody plant. They have strong stem as it looks like trees, trunk of trees. They have strong stem as looks like trunk of trees, but it will grow into a medium size, not as tall as tree and not as short as herbs. They will be in the medium size, right, and have a lifetime span of several years. So what might be the example? Yes, that is gooseberry, lemon, hibiscus, rose, etc. They will be looks like a bushy manner, right? So these types of plants are called shrubs. Then creepers. some of the plants will grow along with the ground, no? So that type of plants are called creepers. Example, watermelon, pumpkin, etc. Why does it will grow along with the ground? Because it has weak stem. So the stem cannot have the capacity to stand straight. So only these types of plant will grow along with the ground. Right. So example might be watermelon, pumpkin, strawberry, etc. Right. So coming to the next one, that is climbers. It is also similar like creepers, but the creepers will grow along with the ground, but the climbers, with the help of a stick, with the support of the stick, it will climb over the stick. Right. It also have a weak stem, but with the help of a step, that is the support of a stick, it will climb over the stick. It will grow over the stick. Right. So what might be the example? That is grapes, bitter gourd, snake gourd, etc. Right. And the next one is tree. As you well known about the trees, they were so long. They have many branches, strong and thick branches, that is thick stem. Right. And the main stem is called trunk. Okay, example might be eucalyptus, banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree, etc. So these are the 5 basic types of flowering plants. Right. So what are the basic types? Herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and trees. Pretty clear? Very good. Now look at this picture and say which is a non-flowering plant and which is a flowering plant. Yes, mango tree and rose are flowering plant. Fern and algae are non-flowering plant. Very good. Now look at this. What might be the answer for herb? It is aloe vera. And shrub? It is hibiscus. For tree? It is banyan. And creeper? It is strawberry. And climber? It is grapevine. Very good. And note down your results. Here it is. And now it's your homework time. Okay. Take your concept book. In that, practice zone 1 in chapter 2. That is differentiate between herbs, shrubs and trees. And now take your workbook, that is biology workbook. And in that, the 10th question. Can we consider a small banyan tree as herb? Give reason for your answer. And also you have to, how do you differentiate between herbs and trees? Just finish your work and upload it in Google Classroom app. Right. We can see with further more interesting topics in forthcoming sessions. Right. Till then, stay connected, stay safe.